You know, sometimes you just want something a little bit soothing. And what I find is when I'm craving something a little bit comforting and I want a little bit of sweetness, a nice cup of cocoa will just it'll take me there. So I'm going to take you with me because using pure cocoa is not hard, and it's a lot more healthy option than having the high sugar cocoa drinks that are on the market. So this is just a nice pure cocoa, and it feels good and it gets the job done without all the extra added chemicals and preservatives. So let's go do it together. Doesn't take long. So the first thing I'm going to do is just warm up some milk, and today I'm using some goat's milk, but you can use cow's milk, whatever you want, whatever your favorite milk is. And I'm just going to put it in a saucepan. Can't see, there you go. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. Now you can add honey or whatever you like, but today I'm using some maple syrup, 1 tablespoon. Now, of course, the sweetener is something that you can play around with. If you have it your first time and you say, you know what, I'd like it a little sweeter next time, then go ahead and do 2 tablespoons. It's personal preference. So, but that's what we're going to start with today. You can create your own recipe. Then I'm going to put a heaping tablespoon of cocoa in there. And then I'm going to heat it up and just keep whisking it until it's nicely heated. I'm going to just bring it to where it's going to boil. I don't really want to boil it. I just want to heat it to where it is going to boil and just keep whisking it. Once it's nicely heated, you just pour it into your favorite mug, because your favorite mug goes a long way too. And that's it. You've got yourself a beautiful, comforting, my mouth is watering because it's one of my favorite things, a beautiful, comforting, just a cup of bliss. Now, if you do want to kick it up a notch, you can. So I'm going to show you how you can raise the bar. I just happened to find sitting in my fridge, because my husband and I treated ourselves to chocolate cake last night. So I made some chocolate cake and then I made some whipped cream. So I just happened to find some beautiful chocolate whipped cream. So if you want to be really bad, you can put some whipped cream on it. Then if you want to go even further, you can sprinkle it with some cinnamon. I mean, really, one of my favorite things. So if you're gonna get this crazy, I mean, if you're gonna get that over the top, that is a nice sweet, instead of having dessert, you can have that. Or you can just leave it at milk and a little bit of sweetener with some cocoa, and you're good. But if you really want to kick it up a notch, do it like this. So good. So I want to talk about the difference between cocoa and cacao, because there is a difference and it depends on the health benefits. So cocoa, you can get an organic cocoa, which is awesome, and you can use that like we did today just for a treat, or you can get cacao. The difference is cocoa is roasted, so it's just a little bit more processed than cacao. Cacao is the raw part of the cocoa bean, so it depends what you like. Either way, it's delicious. Have a good time, and you have a great day.